He also confirms the BRZ was benchmarked against the Porsche Cayman R, eagerly pointing out that the Subaru is 100 kilograms lighter than its rival at 1,239 kilograms, and has a center of gravity 2.5 centimeters lower. The power deficit more than 100 bhp is not dwelled on, however. At the BRZ's heart is Subaru's 2.0-litre flat-4 front engine, codenamed FB20 and already well established in the Impreza. However, it sits 12 centimeters lower in the engine bay than in an Impreza, and 24 centimeters further back. The result is a claimed 45-55% front-rear weight distribution. The engine produces 197 bhp at 7,000 revolutions per minute and 151 pounds-foot at 6,400 to 6,600 revolutions per minute. Not a huge output, but it feels quick enough, and, thanks to the Toyota-derived cylinder head and direct injection, it spins up faster than any other normally aspirated Subaru boxer engine. Only from 1,800 3,000 revolutions per minute is the absence of any boost slightly noticeable. The Subaru BRZ feels agile and light-footed. Turn into a fast corner and it understeers only very slightly, but trail the brakes or lift mid-corner and it quickly turns into controllable oversteer. And at high speeds it feels very stable, thanks in no small part to a relatively long 2,570mm wheelbase. The engine can be linked to manual or automatic 6-speed gearboxes. The automatic box, which image-wise probably fits better to the Toyota version, comes with the 3 modes: auto, manual, and temporary manual, the latter allowing downshifting via paddles behind the steering wheel. Both work well, but the manual is fitting for such a back-to-basics concept.